Back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and today we have all ready Type 4 Toyota Innova. So you can see that it is completely done now. So what and all changes you can see are the bumper first of all. So the thing is, inside we have placed two clips which helps to hold the new bumper actually. Apart from that, the bonnet is new. Then the headlights are new. These are all original. No China Gina mal and all, because they have already created a lot of problems regarding the virus. So at the back also you can see everything is original. So the bumper has, here we have put extra lights that I'll show you soon regarding the extra lights. Then the tail lights are brand new. The reflectors are also original. Then this is original. And this is of the old version only, which we pasted it here back. Apart from that, you can see now we have a reverse camera, which doesn't come in the original one. Then we have a set of new Michelin tires, and along with the tires we have new mud flaps also at the sides. Inside we have painted the rim so that the brakes are visible. It looks more stylish, sexy. And this we got it online recently, a diesel plate. Only thing we didn't change is the side mirrors, but it doesn't make a lot of change because it's the same, you can observe. And we have painted inside the car down there also, so that it looks more decent and good. As you all know, this is an old Type 1 model which we have made it to Type 4. So we have spent a lot here and there. So now coming for the inside, before that I want to show you the key. So this key is specialized with the same features that we get in the showrooms. So this is for unlocking the vehicle too. And I forgot, we have this new set here placed, and it's quite strong, you can see. So there it goes. We open the car right now. So inside the changes are not so much, slight changes. You can observe the new seat covers. So this we got it in online only, like how we had it in the Baleno itself. The seat covers are similar to the ones which we got in the Baleno. Only difference is that here we have the color variation, like it matches the body. That's what is done here. And apart from that, what we have got recently inside is this new set that we have changed. The old one was stolen actually, so we put a new one, and we have put this also, a wooden finish. Actually it's not wooden finish, it's just a sticker which looks like wooden finish. Now I'll show you what is special in this. So the special point of the vehicle is this screen over here, this touch screen. This touch screen is one of the best which we have got for this vehicle. And the plus point is we have put JBL speakers all around, surround, so it gives more effect to the vehicle now. More sound will come. So you can see we put flowers actually because it was the first day of the car. So now we'll go to the music once it on. The best part of this system is that it looks like one tablet inside the vehicle. So I'll reduce the sound a bit. So it looks like one tablet, you have stuck it in the vehicle, so that is the best part. And for the JBL effect, I'll just give a bit more sound. So you can see it is so audible. And in the inside, the interiors are same, we didn't do anything special in that. The main thing is that we have got this tweeters in the sides, and apart from that, this and all is the same, it came in the company itself. And at the back, we'll go at the back right now. So this is quite helpful right now. You can see we have put chrome finishing here so that it looks more better, and you can see here there is a scratch guard. So in case your nails remove the paint over here, usually it happens in all the cars, so that is a good thing. So this is what again we have got now. These are the AC vents. You can see the old ones have become rusty and a bit dirty also in the corners here and there. So these we have got a 4 pair again. So I'll sit and show you how it feels. So these are the captain seats. Innova's best part is not the 8-seater, that is the 7-seater captain seats. Very comfortable. You can easily move front or back, and look at the space over here. That is the main important thing. You can remove this armrest also, like how you do in film theaters and all. Removing it, we can just go at the back seat. So special part of the back seat is here 2 people can easily sit. You can see head and the leg area, proper room. Apart from that, bottle holders also. Here you have 2 bottle holders. Here 1 seat belt also is available. At the back there is again space, and these are original mats only of Innova. And you can see we have put this one cover over here, so in rainy season it doesn't give you a bad smell or odor within the vehicle. So that is one plus point. And here also you can see these seats. So this is the same set of seats which you got for the entire vehicle. So coming in the front again, the system and all is similar. There is no changes. You can see the AC thing, the light, everything is same. Here we have put white lights instead of the yellow ones which you get over here, because since the lights have become a bit old, so usually people put a system over here, but instead of putting it there, we have put it here. And reverse camera I'll show you right now in the vehicle. So friends, we came inside the vehicle. So driving video I'll show you separately in the next vlog maybe. Right now I'll just show you the reverse camera thing which I am supposed to tell you right now. So the good thing is, if you're short, you can easily manage in this vehicle. So the vehicle is on, just go a bit front and then we'll put reverse. So this is the reverse camera. So look at the reverse camera quality. It's big, it's wide, it's easily visible. You can see I can easily look at the back, how the vehicle is going. So that's a very important thing usually in these big vehicles. Actually we have not put the sensors, but this is more than enough for right now situation. So in the case of sensor, you can see this red area over here. During that place, it will just make a warning that you should not go more further close. So the vehicle has stopped. So that is the most important thing when it comes to an Innova. You have to have a reverse camera in case you have to go in, especially the city areas. You know, parking is a big problem these days. Whereas in case of our Baleno, it is not such a big problem. In a Baleno, it's very easy. There's not at all any changes. And main important thing, the tires, those are again 15 inches only, the old versions one. We have not put the 16-inch. And right now, Toyota Innova Krista has the 17-inch wheels. So we tried a lot. So we didn't get it, but no problem. This tire is more than enough. And about the tire, in my previous vlog, I already informed you. So that's not an issue. And you must be guessing how this plays over here without any pen drive. So inside the dashboard, we have put the pen drive facility. You can see here. So the main idea of that is to cover this whole thing. Apart from that, earlier there was no fog lamps in this vehicle. We have put a different switch over here for just the sake of the fog lamps. And security is already there in this vehicle. So you can observe that almost everything is done, nothing is remaining. We have done whatever possible in this vehicle especially. And it's very important for you people to have a sanitizer inside the car these days, because sanitizer and a mask. I am right now inside the compound, so I am not wearing a mask. So that's very essential. And in the outside, actually I had to show you the back part. That is in the case of our spoiler at the back. So we'll just go at the back, right? So friends, we have this spoiler. We got it new actually, and you can see it has a large light. This actually helps. There's a light already over here, but we have put a spoiler with the light. You get spoilers without light also, but we put with the light. And apart from that, we have lights over here also. So actually those are reflectors, but you put lights over there, so it looks more better and sexy. And here there's a cap. Actually we have to get a cap so that it gets extended. The problem is if it's like this, here it becomes blacked out. So you can see already here it's a bit dark. So cap is very essential. You have to put a cap. And in case of your this, you put a chrome finish over here. So what happens is, the main idea behind this is, when you look from the back, it is like completely chrome finish vehicle. So you can just check, fully chrome. And this is actually not, this won't come, but we only put it from the previous vehicle so that it gets a more chrome type finish. And since we are an Innova fan and Innova lover, we have done whatever means possible for the vehicle. And coming up next, we have the tires. So these are Michelin new tires. I have already told you about it in the previous video. Apart from that, this is original mag wheel of the 2008 version Innova, which we have got it for this. And we have also got this bolts, that is original again. So whatever we have got it original itself, so that there is no problem in the future. Or like, the thing is, if you get any China mal and all, what happens is sometimes they wear off, or sometimes suddenly if any problem comes, then you have to face it. So we have done whatever possible so that it comes for a long run. And another important thing, we have got the latest version wipers over here at the back. So this is the latest version wiper, which comes for the 2015 or 16 model, that is type 4 model. We have got the latest version. In the front it's the same version, we have not changed it. In the future, maybe in the upcoming years, we will put a new. And you can see this grill. So the grill is the key point in this vehicle. The chrome finish again to the fog lights and the grill, it gives exceptional look. And apart from that, if you lift the bonnet, this part comes out, so that's good. And this is also original, the logo is original. So main thing is, everything is original. And we have put the FASTag today itself, so that's another key point. Now the sticker part is remaining, that we'll put it soon. So friends, for this vlog, that's all. We have done whatever possible, and probably in the upcoming vlogs, maybe I'll just ride and show you how it feels, how it like, you know, an Innova feeling is one of the best. So when you have a vehicle this big, you should be knowing how to maintain it also, the traffic, the other places. So please don't forget to subscribe, please hit the like button, and please comment me whatever you have to ask about the pricing. In one separate vlog, I may give a full list on the pricing of how much it may cost you to do all the changes. So until next time.